Hi, welcome. How are you guys doing today? Well, today's video is finally my long-awaited 2018 Fall Home Tour. I highly recommend that you watch it start to finish because I'm going to have some drone footage in here. We're going to be flying over the house, and it's a different take on what I normally do. I actually enlisted the help of my husband. He has a much steadier hand than I do, so I had him take a lot of really good photos because I wanted it to showcase all of my hard work. And y'all know I've got arthritis, so my camera gets a little shaky for me. I wanted it to showcase my best work possible for you. So stay tuned. So for those of you that don't know much about me, I am a mother of 4 beautiful daughters, ages 18, 17, 15, and 14. What was that you just said? Yes, you heard me correctly. 4 daughters. Yes. Love them to death. I do. I seriously do. But anyway, drama. What was that? Yeah, never mind. I'm just playing. I'm just being my silly, goofy me. Anyway, I love my daughters. They're my heart, my soul, my world, my everything. My besties. And so anyway, I do all of this for them because my mom used to decorate for all the holidays, and I have the best memories. So cozy, warm, and inviting. So I in turn wanted to do that for my family. So if you guys are just getting into decorating, I highly encourage you to keep it up and continue with it because especially if you have kids, it's something that they will remember and take with them when they go into adulthood. Also too, even if you're older and the kids are gone, or if you have grandkids, and even if you don't have grandkids, decorating, it's like breathing new life into the house. Seasonal decorating does that for you and puts a little spring in your step, and it gives you a change in your environment. So it's a lovely hobby to have. All right, let's close this section of the video out and move on into the Fall Home Tour. But before I go, I would like to say autumn is just a beautiful time of the year. It's a celebration. It's a celebration of the changing of the leaves into those bright, vibrant kaleidoscope of colors. It's a time to rejoice and celebrate and look forward to the holidays just around the corner, a time to reflect. So what I'm trying to say is take time for yourself to enjoy this time of the year. Take time to put on a nice warm jacket and go outside and take a nice little walk in the cold, brisk fall autumn air. Enjoy lighting a pumpkin spice candle in your kitchen while you create a fall meal. You know, put on some fluffy autumn socks and kick your feet up at the end of the day and watch something on TV and just hear the crickets. You know what I'm saying? Take time for yourself and enjoy what God has given us, which is the seasons. So, all right, guys, I'm getting corny now. We better get on to the video. Who knows where I'll go with this? All right, let's get into the video. We are about to embark on the sights, the sounds, and the smells of autumn. Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this girl's thinking of Christmas now. Oh yes, she is. The wheels are turning. Stay tuned.